fan mono chayo EEZZY la wo maja kun wajani EEZZY wene dong petwero mako Kampala wa dong chodo duka we kilukin gang nyolu charo so loke enu chwero chin EEZZY matek tutwal and EEZZY responding kun wajo bod ngati eneni en imar kagane anu beru twero megame we ilep ma enno yomu iye so umete anyim ki wacho neni peti la we mo ki Kampala madit lo en ki gankany peti la we mo ma a ki Kampala madit lo e ki gang ginu cheri yamu beru viral madong pedong lare matia loke du chane loke ki nyama wa TV la wo NBS uber ka Wiye so video mone tia bi kër kany we onen kita loko beru tekere.
It says no one can compete with me and my fellow artists in the region, such as Monopoly, Judas, EEZZY, Lakedi, Maros, Bosmic, Laxi. No Kampala artist can outcompete them from northern Uganda. Call it hit songs, call it feeling concerts. Mind you, even before me hitting in Kampala, I was already a star in my region, northern Uganda, which is even bigger than Kampala.
So Lurok do beri komwa nyo beri wiwa do romo. Lurok uchaiwa do romo. Ingeo kita gitimu kere Jemi. Gitimu Jemi gi iyo mano gimete gina gilo I Jemi weng. Kuno gidiwa ki media magiti kereni pegibera kere Jemi wa. So kawando mwako ni gina gitimu ni perwate. Gingi laho niya wango wanti tim tribalism nyoni wan logo maraji kongi kun gina ye weko Jemi eni nen kiri eni actually gina ye gina gitilu tribalism dong loy we pieni Uganda eni weng ubiri Uganda mamegwa tien lo ngo muwe upegi goe we wakunu Kampala kuna churiti ye ki kake mukane tie pengo pege goyo we pa ka mukane ibe ka goyo megi ki ken yani wen yo me be ka gake wiwa so EEZZY wadi loko momo dani komge ma leto twal lera deda gubera loko ye TV la wo ma terra
EEZZY has a big song in Kampala. I went to South Africa with EEZZY, yeah. And you know, like he was moving. You can. And listen, I think that's
all I don't believe. All around the south. Yeah.
That was my first point. Yeah. The second point is. Yeah.
Andrew.
Okay, Andrew wants us to take a break. Let's make some money, Roger. Let's make some money.
Let's make the money.
Yeah, let's make money. When we come back, we're going to just break it down for you.
Get back to you.